Yes, 1, 2, 3, go! Red ball in the red circle. Red ball in the red circle. Throw. Yay! 10 points. Red ball has the 10 points. Ron, which ball you are taking now? You want to play with the green ball? Okay. Yay! Green ball in the green circle. 20 points. Good job. Now, which ball do you want to? Which ball? Blue. Okay. Try it again. Blue is the smallest circle. It is difficult to throw. It is your game. Let's try. Try again. It's a very, very good physical activity. Try again. Yes, Rohan! 50 points. Good job. You get 50 points. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Yes. Now, which ball you are throwing? 10. Okay. Wow, 10 points. Now, which ball you are throwing? Yellow. Okay, 30 points. You are playing for the 30 points. Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again. You can do it. You can do it. Try again. You can take another ball. Still going with the yellow ball. Oh, try again. Yes, good job. Try again. Try again for the 30 points. It's a very really nice physical activity. You are playing for the 30 points. Yellow circle has the 30 points. It's okay. Try again. You can take another color. If you want to take another color. If you want to take another color, you can take. You can take the red color. Yay! 30 points. 30. Yellow circle has 30 points. It's a point table. Now you are taking the red. Good job. Throw in the red circle. Yes! It's gone in a circle, Rohan? Okay, try again. Try again. You can do it. You can do it, boy. Yes! Good job. It's 10 points. You are throwing it in the green circle. 20 points. You are playing for the 20 points. Try again. It's okay. Take a ball and try again. It's okay. Take a ball. Try again. It's okay. Take a ball. Try again. Your Rohan is playing. Yeah. Yay! Good job. Finally you did it. 20 points. Okay, I will write the 20 points. Here's the points table. Rahan, you did a great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct shots. Very nice. Good job. Red circle, 10 points. 20, 30, and 50 is the smallest circle, which has the 50 points.